Hey, I'm back with another unbagging I should say, and it is this little Ziploc bag. Now this was just in one of the first bags I got, but it looks quite interesting, so I'm only going to do this one in this video. And my phone is blowing up. I accidentally made a comment, a political comment. My phone's gone berserk. Don't do that on TikTok. Okay, so I have a big tangled mess. Weird. So I've got a random pearl that was obviously on an earring, so that is kind of gross. I'm going to put that in the bin because it's just discoloured and disgusting. Oh god. Now I've got a couple of these Alex and Arnie bracelets. I hadn't even heard of these until I started watching people in America. Sorry, I'm just trying to untangle all of this stuff. So I've got two of these, and I know that there's another one floating around in another bag. Pause. Okay, so they are untangled. They're both gold tones. This is Rowan, Alex and Arnie on the back, and it has a feather. I think it's a feather. It could be, no, I think it's actually a leaf. And then the other one says Laughing Buddha, so that's really cute. If I was going to wear one, it would be this one. I love little Buddhas. Then this, now I think some of this jewellery came from like one of those markets where you go in and there's all different stall holders, because some of these are priced individually. So this one was priced at 20 Australian dollars. It is gold toned, very yellow gold, and you press the top and it's a little watch. It is so cute. So it's a little baby pocket watch on a chain. I don't know whether it works. I don't know that it's battery. I would think this is a wind up one, but I'll keep it if anybody wants it. Then there is this is cute. It needs a silver chain. Whoa, and I need some less enormous fingernails. Sorry guys. Little tiny silver locket. And I don't know whether this is sterling. I don't actually know. If I can get this open, give me a sec. Okay, so that was a lot harder than it should be. So yes, little silver toned, I'm going to say. I don't think I can see a hallmark anywhere. Little locket, it opens up. It's really cute. And with a little silver chain. And I'm sure I'm going to have loads of those. So if you want that, let me know. There's a ring. Now, this could possibly be a Pandora. I've got to clean it and I can't see a hallmark, but I do think that's probably sterling. It's really, really sweet with a little flower. It will be between a 7 and an 8. I think it's hard to tell with my hands. I'd say it's a 7. But yeah, really, really pretty. And that will clean up nicely with the silver polish. Oh, wow. There's so many tangled things. Right, this was an $8. Another locket. Really, really sweet. I do like that one, and I would wear that. I wouldn't wear it on this chain because the chain's kind of chunky, but that's what it looks like. If you want that, let me know. I'm just seeing if there's a hallmark. It looks like it's silver plated. I can't see a hallmark, but it's a really nice one. And wow, okay, so ooh. Okay, what the hell's... Oh, no, it's too new. Don't mind me. Some of this stuff is extremely tangled. So I have a pearl and like just silver sort of ovally beads. Really cute. I'd wear that. Silver bangle. So if I can... Looks like it could be sterling, but it's only cheap sterling if it is. That's... quite nice. What else have I got? This looks interesting. And now this I'd wear. This is gorgeous. This is, it's going to, oh God, I really can't be bothered to put these on because they look ridiculous as a t-shirt, but it sort of sits just in the boob crevice. And potentially a silver chain, but it has got these gorgeous little blue and silver beads. Really nice. Actually, it's little knots in the silver. I don't know whether you can see that or not. But yes, I'd wear that one. Another locket. This is adorable. Whoa. Now, I've just pulled the chain off, but it comes with a gold chain. But look how cute that is. It is a really, really sweet little flower. Looks like a rose. You would have to put the tiniest little picture in there. But it does come on this gold chain. Okay, cancel the gold chain. It is actually broken, but still the locket's there if anybody wants it. Then we have a broken bracelet, which is really actually sweet, but it's got hair in it. So it's broken here. Oh, wow, I'm not very good at this, am I? And here, but obviously you just take this chain off and use the ring. So that's quite a nice little bracelet. Then there is a Pandora-esque charm bracelet, which I'm going to try and clean up. It isn't Pandora, but the charms are really cute. There's little flowers, and it very much matches this. So maybe not Pandora, but maybe these were, it's not quite the same, but maybe they could go together. What else have I got here? I have got a random chain. Oh, would you believe it's got knots in either end? But it isn't broken, it's just tangled. So that is reasonably long. That's quite nice. All of this needs a clean, and if anything is being given to any of you guys or sold to any of you guys, it will be put in the ultrasonic cleaner. This is La Visa. So this is, if you don't know that, it's kind of just a very cheap costume jewelry shop. You could probably choker that, wrap it twice. Now they do have some sterling silver, and there is a mark on this. I don't know whether you can see, you won't be able to see, but there is a mark there. So this could be silver, but I'll clean it anyway. Another silver chain with a knot in it, and I am not even going to bother. If you want it, you can have it with the knot in it, because I think my nails just, yeah. Okay, what else have we got? There's lots of silver. Okay, so there's loads of silver chains here. Again, another one with a knot, but that is fixable. Another long chain, and it has an extender. Nice big extender. And then the final thing is another long chain. Now it has 2 hooks, so it's quite a nice one. It's reasonably weighty, but not too heavy. I don't think it's silver, but I don't think it'll tarnish either. So yeah, so if there's anything you want, guys, let me know. Otherwise, if there's nothing that anyone wants, I'm just going to put it all in mystery bags and pop it on Depop. Okay, catch you in the next one. Bye.